Hey Beardsters, I wanted to bring this video to you today because if you've been growing a beard out for quite some time, or if you're just starting to grow out a beard, you know that you kind of celebrate internally, maybe externally on social media, when you hit a few little milestones of beard growth. And today I've actually hit month 4. Well, actually I hit it a few days ago, on the 29th of November. Currently, it is the 2nd of December when I'm recording this, just for transparency, and I wanted to talk about one thing today, the beard length. So, I'm just going to grab a tape measure, and we're going to measure this bad boy, see kind of how well it's doing in terms of length to date, and we'll do a little comparison, maybe in 4 months' time, and then at 12 months, so every sort of third of the year. We just jump in, we do some sort of growth monitoring. Like, I don't know, let's just do this and have a bit of fun. So I've got my tape measure here and we're just gonna, have a bit of fun. And I think the best place to sort of do it from is just this area here. So I'm just gonna bring it up and let's just see if it's matching up. Guys, I think it's kind of around the 3-inch mark. 3 inches, which is about 7.5 centimeters. So in 4 months, we've grown a 3-inch beard, or a 7.5 centimeter beard. And in terms of like competitions, because you do realize that beard competitions where you see who's got the best beard is kind of a thing like these days. In beard competitions, I think I would still be classed as having a short beard, and I think like that length there is kind of the shortest. Here I've got hairs that are twice that length, so sort of 6 inches maybe, or I'm a guy, so I'm bound to say something a little bit longer than it truly is. But this is just to show you that it takes a long time to grow a long beard. In 4 months it's 3 inches, so that's just under, it's like 0.75 inches a month. So to grow like a massive long beard, I hope this just illustrates that you do need to have patience, you do need to take the time. Like, I haven't trimmed any length off of this beard at all. So imagine if I was trimming it every month and I had aspirations of getting like a 10-inch beard or something like that. Like, you just wouldn't achieve that. So if you're serious about getting a longer beard, a longer mustache, I hope this just illustrates that it does take time to grow it. And guys, that was it. This is it for the 4-month update. I know I normally like ramble on a lot. I just wanted to talk about beard length and being patient, and about like how to get a long beard is that you need to take your time, you need to let it grow, and it's that simple. Anyway guys, we'll be back with another one of these videos probably in the first week of January. And if there's anything you want to hear about in terms of how I feel about the year to date, that would be the 5-month mark, let me know in the question. Like, we're doing a new segment on the show, it's called Question of the Day, and I want to hear your questions. So if there's anything you want to hear from me about the year growth to date, or growing a year, or how to approach it, or anything, just let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to handle that in that next video. It's been my pleasure. I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.